What is that? What did you say?
That is what I have.
What do you have?
If you vomit, it's a mucus.
They call it what? What sickness is that? Pneumonia. Oh my God. Okay.
My name is Hailey Fortune Mahor. I am happy to see you, and I'm going to teach you how to brush your teeth so you cannot get sick. So I'm going to prepare things which you're going to brush your teeth. Come on.
As you talk, Mama, that's enough, I think. You're not going to make a lot of it. You can just choose one. You won't be able to break. Just choose one, Mommy.
Okay, put it back.
Yeah, put the rest back. Let's just choose one because you're going to just teach people small. We are going to use small. I think that will hurt your fingers. Do you know what you should do instead? Just get a cavera. And
how did we cut this thing?
Okay, put the knife down. Even the knife is down.
Getting the charcoal so it can be soft. So you can make the
Powder.
powder
Okay.
for the teeth.
Okay. Do you need me to help you? Should I help you?
It's soft now. I think now. You see?
Okay.
It is not yet good. It is the same, Mom.
Okay, it's a little soft.
Yes.
Well, that's all you need. Isn't that enough powder?
No, they are not powders.
Not yet powder. Do you need me to help you?
So you can get powder.
Okay. The container, the dish. You put a little what?
You put a little salt.
A little, very little. That's too much. It's going to be so sour for the kids.
This one?
Okay, yeah, that. I think that's enough. I don't know how much teacher told you to put. Okay.
So teacher said little salt. Now salt. Now
Okay.
water.
Now water.
There.
Okay. Don't pour around, okay? What are you doing now?
I'm mixing the water
Okay.
to be ready.
All right.
It's ready now.
It's ready now? Okay, after what happens? Okay.
Put on a toothbrush.
Can you get there? Can you?
I can.
Okay. Your toothbrush, you put it in that big. I think you can use one of yours. Can I hold for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brush? I brush my teeth?
And you need to show us how it happens. How do we do it? That's how teacher showed you? Okay. Do you swallow it? Do you swallow it? Okay. Okay.
They said even you put even the other Colgate.
Okay.
If you're putting this charcoal.
Okay. So I give you Colgate. I think you put Colgate in the brush itself.
After, let me first put that.
Okay, have. A little, not so? Okay.
No, that's my teeth.
Okay. So teacher said you brush like how? How do you brush your teeth? Like that, eh? Okay. So tell your friends as well, the people who are going to watch you. You brush your teeth like this and this.
So you need to brush your teeth like this. Or like this. Even like this. Even like this.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. Then after, we need some cooked water. You didn't get the water, boiled water. You can put it in here. In here.
The what?
The brush. It is okay. Just like this here. We are going to wash it, right? And just put it there. So you can go and pick water.
Don't put bad water which is not boiled, because if you brush with the water which is not boiled, your teeth will get yellow.
Okay. Okay, we get that.
So, okay, I'm finished to teach you how to brush your teeth. Bye!
Thank you.
Even you brush your teeth like that. Like, subscribe, and follow. Bye!